Grammar and spelling are very important in professional and business correspondence and communications, and Word has some features to help you with that. So it automatically will do spell checking and grammar checking, and you see on this page here that it's marked with a red underline, the grammar or spelling error here. If I right-click on this red line, it will pop up some examples of what it thinks I should be using instead of what's there. So if I click one of those, it will substitute that and take care of that error. Now here's another one. This is a grammar error with a double blue underline. If I right-click on that, it gives me a suggestion as to how to fix it, and just clicking on it will take care of that. I have added my own name to the dictionary. Otherwise, this is going to come up with a red underline, but I didn't want to see that, so I added that to the dictionary. So if you have something that gets marked that is correct, you can right-click on that and you can use this Add to Dictionary, and that will put it in the dictionary, and then it won't flag it anymore. So here we have a couple of words that are supposed to be COVID but are both incorrect. Now one is flagged and the other one is not, because coved is an actual word. So that's in the regular dictionary, and Word does not see any problem with that. So, and then we have a name of a bacteria down here that is flagged, and I'd like to add that to the dictionary. But so I'm going to go to the dictionary by going to the File tab, Options tab, and then the Proofing, and then Custom Dictionaries. So here you see 3 custom dictionaries. I'm only using one at the moment, and I can edit the word list. So what I can do now is I can add the words I'd like to have in this dictionary. So COVID's not in the dictionary, so the Add button is live, and I can add that. And I'm going to do the other one. Salinispora is the genus name, and the species name is Tropica, so I'll add that. Click OK, OK, OK. And now Word is happy with those, and this one, if I right-click on it, I'll get the option to put COVID in there. So there are a couple other things I'd like to point out to you. Word has looked at this document, thinks this is the only misspelling and no grammar errors. But if I open the Grammarly.com add-in for Word, it typically finds things that Word misses, and usually quite a few. So it is checking now for errors that might have been missed, and has found 2 already. And this is very easy to use. Klenric is not in the dictionary at Grammarly, so of course it's going to find that. But if I click on this, and I can change this, this is supposed to be the possessive, and this is something Word missed. And then this is the verb, needs to be consists, to be the right match for the singular day. So I fixed those 2 things using Grammarly. So you see why I recommend Grammarly is that it does a much better job than Word of catching some of the common grammar errors. There are 2 versions. There's the free version, and then there's a version you can pay a subscription for that catches even more things. So I wanted to bring those things to your attention, and I hope those will be helpful. One last thing to mention is that the dictionary for Word is also the same dictionary that's used for PowerPoint and Excel. So any edits you make to your custom dictionaries will also be available in those other 2 programs.